Then we come in with our new shower base, and then our new green board goes in next. And then of course our Onyx walls. Normally we like to go to the ceiling. If you have really tall ceilings, we may just go about 8 feet. So one of the reasons we replace the plumbing is because the last thing you want when we install this beautiful new shower or tub shower combo is in a month, in a year, 5 years or 10 years, for that plumbing to go bad and we have to rip out our beautiful new shower. So as a standard, we replace the plumbing from the floor up. So all of our fixtures that we use in the bathroom are Moen, and these are all professional grade Moen products. The faucets and shower heads that we install, you actually can't get them at Home Depot or Lowe's. They're a professional grade. And so for folks who already know Moen, who already trust Moen, this is a step up than probably what they're used to.